Hey everybody, this is Sarah from Toy Reviews for You. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a bunch of Thomas toys. On the left, I have made this Thomas the Train surprise egg, and then I also have the Thomas and Friends Minis carrying case with the special gold Thomas included. I purchased the collector's case at Walmart and it cost $12.97. The case can hold up to 16 of the Thomas Minis trains. And here's a closer look at the Golden Thomas. Wow, it is so pretty in person. I believe you can only purchase the Golden Thomas with the case. On the back of the case is a cute little train rail which you can use with your Thomas Minis trains. When you're ready to take your trains on the road, the case easily locks by just pushing down the 3 tabs on the sides of the case. Now let's get to our giant surprise egg. The Thomas face on the front is made out of Play-Doh and it took me about 2 hours to make. I'm going to take off his face very carefully, and I've also added some tape to the egg so that it doesn't accidentally open up. So let me remove that. And what do I have inside? Hey, it's a bunch of Thomas Minis blind bags. Whoa, this is an absolute ton of them. If you guys haven't checked out my first video on these Thomas Minis blind bags, you should definitely do so. On the front of each bag is a number, and that corresponds to what train is on the inside of the bag. This one is bag number 16. Inside this bag it is... Oh, it looks like it's Scruff. Scruff is from the Classics collection. Let's go to our very next blind bag. This is bag number 10. And inside this one, it is Emily. And this version of Emily is from the Spooky series. This one is bag number 18. Inside this one, it is, whoops, I almost lost my train. It's Bert. This Bert is from the Classics collection. Time to open up another bag. This bag is labeled number 11. And inside this one we have Dash. And this version of Dash is from the Classics collection. This is bag number 13, or maybe I should say lucky number 13. Oh, look at this one. It's Paxton, looking all white. This one is from the Chillin series. Here is bag number 12. Inside bag number 12, it is Diesel 10, or D10 for short. This one is from the Classics collection. Let's open up this one. This one is bag number 17. Ooh, so colorful. This is Bill from the Racers collection. I only have 2 blind bags left. This bag is labeled number 15. Hey, this one's super colorful too. It's Victor from the Hero series. Oh, we're down to just 1 blind bag left. This is labeled number 14. It's Steven! This version of Steven is from the Classics collection. Yay! Well, thank you guys so much for watching this Thomas blind bag and collector's case opening. I haven't seen the next wave of blind bags yet, but when I do, I'm going to be sure to pick those up as well. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe. It's free! Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next video.